My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 28,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control, voice control and automatic headlights. On the touchscreen we can get quick access to navigation, our AC, radio and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we go into car and then into comfort and convenience, we can see that we have advanced features such as follow me home and find my car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera as well as parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.